Okay guys, Philly Boy J back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys another way that I make baked barbecue chicken, and I make the best barbecue chicken in the whole wide world.
And I mean the best.
Don't nobody make barbecue chicken like Philly Boy J. Nobody.
I know that's right.
Don't nobody do it quite like him.
Thing of looking good.
I'll pay you to find somebody that make it like Philly Boy J. I'll
Did
pay
already.
you. I'll pay you. Couldn't find nobody, could you, Tina?
Couldn't find nobody.
I'll pay you.
I said, damn.
Okay, so what we did here was we cleaned the chicken. I showed you guys in previous videos how to clean meat. You just basically want to pull off that clear stuff from under the fat. You want to cut some of the fat, and you want to soak your chicken in some salt water solution for a little while. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be seasoning the chicken. Okay, so here are the seasonings that you're going to be using. Parsley flakes, that's optional. You do not have to use that. We're going to be using some chicken flavor bouillon cubes. You're going to need some black pepper. You're going to need some garlic powder, some Lorry's seasoning salt. If you don't have seasoning salt, you can use salt and some thyme leaves. Okay, so these are all of the seasonings that you're going to need for your barbecue chicken. And let's not forget barbecue. Now this is original barbecue, but I recommend that you guys go out there and get you some spicy honey barbecue sauce. Bam! It be finger looking good. Hallelujah.
Booyah!
Hallelujah. All right, guys, you're gonna chop your green peppers up like that. Now when making barbecue chicken, I don't really dice the peppers up into really fine pieces. Just do it like that. Okay, just like that. That's going to give the chicken an awesome flavor. Not going to use a lot of onions. Okay, so those are your vegetables that we're going to be adding to the baked chicken. Green peppers and your onions. So here's our chicken. What we're going to do is we're going to season it first. Now you can let yours marinate overnight. We're going to be adding a very small amount of seasoning. Okay, that's like 1 teaspoon. I'm only making 4 pieces of chicken. And there's already enough salt in the barbecue sauce and the chicken flavor bouillon cubes. So not in ours because we got sodium free bouillon cubes, but I'm gonna add the pepper. Okay, we're gonna add a small amount of garlic powder. Don't want to over season your chicken. We're going to add some thyme. Small amount of thyme. Okay. We're going to add a small amount of parsley flakes. All right. Then we're going to add the green peppers and the onions. It's a bad onion there. Now guys, for best results, you can marinate this overnight. And I like to cook my barbecue chicken in a little barbecue sauce. So we're going to add a small amount of barbecue sauce. Okay. We're going to massage that in. Okay. Okay guys, so at this point what you're going to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we are going to be baking these for approximately 2 hours. We're going to add our 2 chicken flavor bouillon cubes at the bottom. We're going to add a little bit of butter. Sometimes what I like to do is melt my butter and pour it over top. We're going to add just a little bit of water, just a small amount. About that much there. Okay. All right. So we're going to bake these for 2 hours. Then we're going to add additional barbecue sauce and let it go for another 15 minutes. Okay. So we'll see you after 2 hours. Okay folks, so it's been about 2 hours. The chicken is tender, so what we're going to do is we're going to add some additional barbecue sauce. As you can see, you kind of see some barbecue sauce in there, like a little gravy that it's formed. But we're going to add some more barbecue sauce on the top. We're going to place this back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll show you the final results. Okay folks, so the barbecue chicken is all done. It's tender and well cooked. Okay. There it go there. So we're going to get ready to plate this. Good barbecue chicken. Okay guys, there go your barbecue chicken. Nice and tender. Show you how tender it is. Look at that. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It's really, really good. Homemade baked barbecue chicken.